Okay, so we're going to start by finding the program to download. It's called Qavimator. Qavimator. Enter. Here it is here, qavimator.org. If you click on that, you can download it from here, for your Windows, Linux, or whatever. But I've already got this downloaded. So here we go. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Alright, so we're going to be doing static poses for photography. So the first thing you want to do is at the bottom here, there's a amount of 30 frames. You want to make 2 out of 2 frames. So change that 30 to 2. Okay, so you can change it from female to male. I haven't found it to make a lot of difference, to be honest with you, but it's quite intuitive. It's quite a bit like Secondlife. You can use your shortcut, your keys to scroll around, like your Alt and your mouse. You can zoom in and out, rotate. Alright, so first things first, you click on one of the body parts. I'm going to do a man running. So click on the hips, then I'll move. Now the first leg. Alright, now every one of these values on the right here, rotations, needs to have a value in it. If you leave it at 0, well, it'll do funny things when you upload the animation, and your animation will be moving in a way you don't really want. Alright, so I'll try to get this thing looking like it's running. Alright, so as I said, every one of these needs a value, otherwise it'll move when you've uploaded it. Alright, so just do this quickly, just give you guys an idea. Alright, just need to, as I said, put a value in each one of these. Alright, so we've got some shoulders here as well. We'll just put something in there. The neck. And the head. Alright, so that's just a quick showing to you of how to use Qavimator. So we'll just recap. Down the bottom here, the frames, you need to make 2 of 2, like this, and you have to go through each individual joint, limb, apart from the hips. You can leave the hips alone, but I did move those to have it leaning forward, and put a value, either a positive or a negative, but they need a value in these things, otherwise they'll rotate on the joints. Alright, now that we've done that, we can save it. Here's another trick. Alright, so I'm going to save as, and I'm going to give it a name. Running Man. Alright, and you can see at the bottom here, you've got it. By default it'll save as an AVM, but we need to save it as a BVH. So you give it the name, Running Man dot BVH. I'm going to save that to my desktop, and I'll show you how we upload it. Desktop, there we go, saved. Okay, so now that we've made an animation, we need to upload it. So this is how you do it. Come up to build, upload, similar way that you'd upload an image, but we want to upload an animation. And we need to find that animation, so it's on the desktop, called it Running Man, there it is, open it. We need to do a few things here, right? So we need to make it loop, because it's a static animation. We need to give it a priority, so I'll put it at 4, that just means it's going to run over the top of other animations. So once you've done those two, you can press the little camera here to try it. Now, if we have a look at the animation, this is a chance where we can make some adjustments. Alright, so for argument's sake, we want to change the way his head is. We'll go back to Qavimator, and we'll make some adjustments on his head. So I might bring that up a little bit, turn it slightly to the side so he's looking over his shoulder maybe. If I get on the neck. Alright, then we just save that again. So we're going to save as. Alright, we've already saved it as a BVH, so it's going to come up. I'll save it to the same spot, overwrite the other file. The file with the name Running Man already exists if we want to overwrite it, so yes. Now, if you come back to Secondlife, reload that file, and then press play, and you can see the head has changed. Although I think it looked better looking forward, but that gave an example, so we'll go back. Put his head back the way it was. Save as. Alright, so again, reload the file. If I turn my AO off, it might help a bit. There we go. Alright, so now that we've done that, upload 10 lindens. There we go. And here is the animation. There we go.